I finally got my hands on. I got nails, I can do that. The whole set of the Labubu Big into Energy. Yes! Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger of 8 years. The whole collection. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let's unbox these babies. I'm so excited. Obviously, this is your choices. If you haven't seen them, this is your choices of Labubus. So I already got Hope. Miss Hope is over there. The blue one, this is what I got already. And then there's Royalty, which is like a peach color, orangey peach. There's Love, is the red one. This is my favorite one. Luck is my favorite because she's purple. Happiness is orange, that's happiness, and the green one is serenity. Obviously, the secret is not on here, I don't know why, but the secret is gray with rainbow teeth, which is really cool that everyone's hoping to get, right? So I already got Hope. I don't want her anymore. I want the rest of it plus secret. So let's open this baby up. So let's open this up. There is also a sticker here. Ready? I'm like so excited. The prices for these individually has skyrocketed because, like I said, the tourists are coming and snapping up all these because the local Thai don't even care. But the tourists are snapping up all these, and the prices individually, like I saw the prices at the vending machine and also at the local stores, the resellers, they've been going up cray. Oh, I like that this thing actually like opens up. You can actually like lift this. Like if you want to put them on a display, you can, because the stores will do this. But I'm not gonna do that for now. So let's open our first. Like I said, there's 6 of them in this whole set. Again, I show you, I just took one. 6. These, I really want to get Luck. Luck is what I want to get. Already have Hope, but Luck and everything else, including the secret, is the goal. Okay, let's do this. There's a tab here that you hold. Okay, ready? That part is so satisfying. I love that. I love doing that. Opened up. Okay, like I said, the card is in here. So if you want to be surprised of what you're gonna get, make sure that the card, you didn't grab the card out of the box. Because this is, like I said, my second time. I already have over there. She's supervising me, opening up her sisters. So anyway, you don't want to get the card. Make sure that the card is not what the first thing you see. So I'm just gonna grab the envelope. I think there's no card. Card is down here, I think. I don't feel the card. So I'm just gonna take it out. Close my eyes, make sure that there's no card. It's gonna fall out. And I'm gonna put the box away. The card is in there. I don't want to see what I got. So this is the packaging. ASMR. Okay. Alright, let's open this up and see what we get. Ready? I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna show you first, so you can tell me what I got. What do you think I get though? The secret? Let's find out. Smells very factory. Okay, I can feel her. I just don't know which one is her. Okay, ready? So let's open it. Ready? Ready? pull her up. I'm gonna open my eyes. Oh, this is Serenity. This is green, right? Yes, this is green. Oh, cute. This is Serenity. You know what? This light in this Airbnb that I'm staying is yellow. So I'm like, did I get a blue one? Again, she has a code that you can scan. So right there. Yeah, she's so cute. This is Serenity. Yay. I love that. Oh, by the way, her thing can swivel like this. But look at the painted toenail. Somebody mentioned that. I was like, I saw it, but I just like didn't really like pan into it, that they actually have painted toenails. Oh, yay! Like I mentioned, there's a card in here that tells you what you got. Obviously, I told you that we got Serenity. Yay! Now Hope has a friend, her sister. Now we have two. Okay, Serenity, yay! Serenity and Hope. The green one is called Serenity. Okay, next box. But yes, now I have two. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my whole set of Big Into Energy Labubus. If you do like this video, please give me thumbs up. And please share this with a bestie who love Labubus and want to see unboxing of the version 3 Big Into Energy, and also who's coming to Bangkok, Thailand, because I'll be sharing where to buy these Labubus on my YouTube channel. So make sure you share this video with them. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I have more Labubu unboxings like this. See, I have like V2, I have V1 that I will still need to unbox, and I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, if you're hunting for these, I wish you luck, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Happy hunting for Labubus! She smells good, she smells new. Hope been around town. Hope doesn't smell new anymore. Okay, so put her there. Oh, she can stand. I don't know why Hope cannot stand. Like, I was trying to make her stand, but I don't know if she can stand. Oh, now she can. Okay, now we have two. Okay, next one. I'm here currently in Bangkok, Thailand right now. So that's why I was able to get my hands on these babies, because I know this is sold out everywhere in the US. It's actually also sold out at the official Popmart store here in Bangkok, in central Bangkok. The thing with these, they were big in Asia last year. So now nobody cares about these Labubus except the rest of the world. So it's very easy to get, except that central Bangkok is full with tourists. So tourists have been going to Popmart stores in central Bangkok, like the one in Assault, the one in Central World, to snap all these. They're none available at any of the Popmart store in central Bangkok. You have to like travel out, or you go to the local stores, quote unquote resellers. They are resellers. The local stores, the resellers, to buy these. So the prices are a little bit more, but you know what? I wanted to get the whole set. That's why I got it anyway, and so I can do unboxing for you. If you've seen my previous video, for this, I did unbox my first Big Into Energy Labubu. Hope is what I got from the last one. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, I'll link it up on the site for you so you can check it out later. But I got my first Labubu ever from the V3 Big Into Energy collection. So another reason that I wanted to get this factory sealed like this, because there's unscrupulous resellers that would open this up. They will individually open this and don't even have to open the packaging inside, the plastic, you know, that containing the Labubu, because there's a card, right, in the box itself that will tell you what color you get. What they would do, the bottom part, they would peel it off. They will open the bottom part with a knife, whatever, and then they will check the card, what color the Labubu is inside. If they have the secret, they'll sell it for a lot of money. So basically they will say, okay, this is confirmed, let's say luck, right, purple. They put the card on here and says this is confirmed purple. Sell it for more money than the unconfirmed or blind box. If they found the secret, obviously they're gonna sell it for even more money. So that's kind of like, you kind of have to watch out for that. Make sure that if you buy it from reseller and not from Popmart, make sure that it's not cut down here, open up and reseal, because they can reseal it with the heat glue gun. You know, the glue gun, the heat gun, glue gun, whatever you call those, to make it look like it's new, but it's actually been tampered with. So you have to be careful. That's why I wanted so bad, even though I had to pay a little bit more, to get a whole box set that is factory seal, because I know that this has not been opened yet. The reason I also wanted to get the whole set, because as you can see,